In front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access Smart Assist. Then click on one-handed mode and click on gray sweater next to it to activate it. Following that, make sure that pull screen into reach is on and follow all of those instructions. To use one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue sweater. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, you need to tap on this sweater instead, next to one-handed mode shortcut. Select Got It in the pop-up, and to use one-handed mode, just click on the shortcut. You can click on it again to go back, or tap on gray area. To disable one-handed mode completely, tap on blue sweater again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!